Today is all about the wooden crates.
Ready to get this on.
Just give me a minute. As you can see, I've been working hard on getting the garage organized. I've got new shelving back there for some of my parts and some of the things that I have on the marketplace, and that's just how to make a little bit of extra money on the side. I'll show you guys another video that'll highlight that. Earning a few $100s a week or even in a couple of days, you can definitely do that. I'll show you on another video. Why did I decide to build wooden crates? Here are the advantages. The wooden crates fit under the tires instead of finding points under the chassis or partial chassis. When you use the tires, they're gonna be in the way a lot of the time. They're either right behind, I'll show you on the Trans Am. Typically, you're gonna end up putting them somewhere around in there under the car, the towers, right? So they limit the amount of space that you have underneath the car. Of course, I'm very, very patient with my projects and doing what I have to do so that it all comes out right. But I also want to be comfortable while I'm doing all this. And this is another way to create more space underneath the car, get underneath and over the engine compartment as well, so that you can be comfortable and not have to jack up the car a couple of different times to move the towers if they're in the way. Let's get back to it. I want to give you a heads up on the tools that you're going to need for the job. Whether it's corded or cordless, you're going to need a drill. You're going to need at least 5 pounds of 2.5-inch screws. If you want to go with 3-inch, that's totally up to you, whatever you prefer. Obviously the wood, which is 2x4s. And how I'm gonna build my crate, it's gonna be 14 by 10. You're gonna need definitely a chop saw. Here's the base of the first one, and one of the things that I wanted to do was make sure everything's nice and square, because since this is the base of the first one, I want to make sure that everything that I'm stacking up on it is gonna be nice and square.
Ready to get this on.
I know you're ready to get this on. Just give me a minute. This circle right here, and then circle right here. But wait a second, I'm gonna get you the stepping stool.
Which one do I do first?
Go through that one first and look, put your other hand, this hand, put it on top. And hold on. Daddy will tell you when to press. You okay? Hold on. Daddy will tell you when to press the button, okay? You did a great job starting. Alright? So what I want you to do is wait until Daddy says you can press the button and push, okay? We need to make sure it's straight. Press the button.
It's gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around, just start at something else. It's all you need to do.
This is from Dad's garage. This is where Nate is.
Takes me a couple of years to get that.
Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Stay tuned.